Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome background processes and boost your performance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which represent the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust how your browser operates and customize various features to suit your needs. Once you're in the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different categories for organizing Chrome's settings. Navigate through this menu and click on System. This section controls how Chrome interacts with your computer's operating system and manages system resources. After clicking on System, the main panel on the right will update to show system-related settings. Here you'll see an option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This feature allows Chrome to keep certain processes active even after you've closed all your browser windows, which can consume system resources and slow down your computer's performance. While this can be useful for receiving notifications or keeping extensions active, it can also drain your battery and use memory unnecessarily. To disable this feature and free up your system resources, simply click the toggle button beside this option to turn it off. Once you do this, Chrome will no longer run background processes when you close the browser, which should help improve your computer's overall performance and reduce memory usage. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Chrome's background processes, which should help speed up your system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.